This is Tyler West with Franklin West Real Estate presenting a house listed by the Michael Soares team at Keller Williams Realty. We're at 7265 Schoolhouse Lane. This is a 1,200 square foot house, corner lot, located in the beautiful Del Webb community, Sun City in Roseville. It is a 2-bedroom house, and it is one of the only houses listed at this time in the sub $500,000 range, where you get all this in a beautiful, quiet neighborhood. This is a retirement community. You will no doubt see lots of people scootering around in their golf carts. The golf course is located that way and that way, not very far from the house. Looks like I had a overlapping schedule with another realtor who wanted to show the house when I arrived. Because this is one of the few houses in the area in the sub $500,000 price range, it's no surprise that it's a hot commodity. I would expect that this house is being looked at by several potential buyers throughout each day. While the other agent is inside showing a client the house, I'm going to show you the exterior, what you can see from the road. Located on the corner, we have some nice association maintained hedgings and easement areas. I love to see other people outside enjoying this beautiful weather. It could not be more perfect right now. This is your archetypal California weather. Nice entryway. So I just entered the premises. Off to the right, looks like we have a closet, one of the bathrooms, and one of the bedrooms. This bedroom is front facing on this corner property. Looks like the walls received a fresh coat of paint. Everything is shiny and bright. Looks like some kind of simulation wood floors, but the grooves are nice and tight. Got your standing bath shower. All right, I just flipped all the lights on. Let's go take a look at the rest of the house. To the left of the entryway, it looks like we have a door to the garage. See what we got going there. We got a 2-car bay garage, built-in shelving and cabinetry. Plenty of it too. Garage utilities over there. Okay, everything looks nice and neat. Now across from the garage door, we have what looks like the master bedroom. And immediately to your left, the master bath. Take a look at that in a second. Nice view of the backyard there. Okay, looks like we have a walk-in closet. The doors to the closet are mirrored. Got the soft open and close cabinetry. Looks like we have a handle hanging off here. No big deal. Got that simulation wood floors again in this bathroom. And a stand-up shower with seating and disability rails. And there's the toilet. Emerging from the master bedroom, the house presents very appealingly. It opens up into a kitchen and adjoining dining area. Then right across the way, we have the other bedroom and second bathroom that we just checked out. Let's go take a look at the common spaces here. Okay, I'm looking out the back window from the living area, and it looks like there is a completely enclosed patio, which could double as a sunroom if you are interested in gardening, growing vegetables. Might be a good way to sequester your garden from pests and bugs and things, while still giving it the sunlight it needs. Don't quote me on the sunlight. Right now, the entire area is in the shadow, so that will be up to people far more experienced than I at gardening. Entryway and living room opens up into a nice but somewhat small kitchen area. Here's what the kitchen looks like when viewed from the back window. And there's the view from the dining area out the back window. Let's go take a look at that backyard. Okay, we are now entering the enclosed atrium. You can see the whole backyard from here. From fence to fence, corner to corner. This would make a great lounge area too. Somewhere to set up some seating, have your morning coffee, enjoy the indirect sunlight as it filters in through all of these windows here. It's a very tall space. I would estimate at least 14 feet, maybe more. Just to give you an idea. Now, as part of the community, the owner of the house would have full access to the community clubhouse, where they've got pools, tennis courts, different kinds of clubs that you can join. I don't know, knitting clubs, all kinds of extracurricular activities that someone who lives here can enjoy through the association funded clubhouse. This house, this yard is a little bit too small for a pool, but that doesn't mean that swimming is unavailable to you. You would just mosey on down to the clubhouse in your golf cart to do that.